In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the citation style in Zotero. This process is straightforward and can greatly enhance the way you present references in your documents. Whether you're working on an academic paper or just want a different look, Zotero offers a variety of citation styles to fit your needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have Microsoft Word open and your document ready. Once you're there, look at the top of your screen and locate the Zotero tab. This tab is part of the Zotero toolbar that integrates seamlessly with Word, allowing you to manage and cite your sources directly from the document. It's a powerful feature that makes Zotero so valuable for writers and researchers alike. Clicking on the Zotero tab will give you access to multiple options. Your next step is to click on the Add/Edit Citation button, which is usually represented by a small pen icon. This action will bring up a new window where you can browse through a list of available citation styles. Zotero supports a vast array of styles, catering to various formatting requirements from different academic fields. Here, you can choose exactly the citation style that matches your project or your publisher's guidelines. If you're not sure which style to select, Zotero allows you to preview how your citations will look in your document. This feature can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're comparing styles to decide which one aligns best with your writing. It's important to note that some citation styles have specific rules that can affect how your references appear, so make sure to consult any guidelines relevant to your work. Once you've selected your desired citation style, go ahead and click on it. This will automatically apply the style to all the citations in your document. You don't need to manually update each citation. Zotero handles the formatting for you, which saves you a ton of time and effort. In addition, if you ever need to switch styles midway through your project, the process is just as simple. Simply return to the Add/Edit Citation window and select a new style. Zotero will instantly update your document to reflect your new choice. And that's all there is to it. Changing citation styles in Zotero is a quick and painless process, thanks to its integration with Microsoft Word and its user-friendly interface. This feature provides the flexibility needed to adhere to different academic requirements or to experiment with various presentation styles. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can focus more on your writing and less on formatting. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!